Just a step, cried the sad man. Take a look down at the madman. Theater kings on silver wings fly beyond reason. From
Hey, you YouTubers and knife nuts, New Jersey Devil Tactical here, bringing you another unboxing and first impression video. The last one for the evening, matter of fact. Alright guys, like I said in my other previous two videos, I went to Dick's today, Sporting Goods. I picked up 3 knives. And I got a really good deal on them, guys. A really good deal. You guys got to go check out Dick's Sporting Goods. They got some good sales going on right now with their folding knives. And plus I had a $20 coupon off for my final purchase. So I got like 3 nice knives for like less than $100. So go check them out, guys. Why they still have them? All right, so let me open this up. I'll be using my Chinese. It's called a B. What the hell's the model number on this? Looks like L06. L06. I tell you, man, this is a nice little knife. I carried this today, and sweet, real sweet. I'm very impressed by these Chinese knives. You know, so having shitty quality control. So far, I'm pretty impressed. All right, let's open this sucker up. See what we got. I mean, look at it, slice that thing right open. Can't beat that shit. For what, a $10 knife? Come on, man. Get yourself some of those. Alright, guys, this is it. This is the black OD-2 by Kershaw. Man, it's a light little son of a bitch. Wow. Man, that is light. Alright, guys, let me give you some specs on this sucker real quick. And we'll get down to the nuts and bolts on this thing. Alright, like I say, this is the Kershaw OD-2. The steel is the 8CR13 MOV stainless steel. So, pretty good blade. You know, not too bad, not too shabby. The handle is the glass-filled nylon. So, not too bad there either. It feels a little smooth, but not too bad. The blade length is 2 1/4. Closed length is 3 1/8. The overall length is 5 1/4. And the weight on this thing is 1.4 ounces. Damn. That's light. Well, it ain't very big to begin with, so. It does have a spacer here on the end. Black spacer. There is a opening there where you can clean it out. Not too bad. Pocket clip. That's a tight pocket clip. It says Kershaw on it. It's a liner lock. You can reverse the pocket clip left or right, which is good. Yeah, this thing looks pretty light. Pretty light. So the liner lock works good. Pretty centered there, right down the middle. It's got your flicker on the back. Flicker works pretty good. Just got to make sure your hand's out of the way. I got these big ass mitts, and they have a tendency to get caught on everything. Blade's nice and tight, no play left or right. Liner lock works good. Flicks out real nice. Looks like about almost 50% lock up there, which is good. About, I say about 45%. Pretty decent. Nice size liner lock. It's off to the left, just a smidgen. Well, what the hell are you going to do? It flicks out there nice. Let's see how sharp this puppy is. Let's see how sharp. Not bad. Pretty decent, Kershaw. Not bad at all. Sharp. She's sharp. Says Kershaw on the blade there. And on this side it says 1770CKTX, patent number pending. So what they're saying there, they're not sure if they want to get the patent for this. But they probably will. And it says the HCR13MOV on the blade also. And this is a Les Williams design. So Les Williams designed this puppy. And I gotta say, did a good job. I like this thing. Man, I'll tell you, this would be a great knife for our female crowd out there. You know, they have the much smaller hands, and the way that flicks out there with their smaller hands, ladies, this would be a fantastic knife for you. Even guys with small hands, you know, but for me, my hands are a little big. I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting that flicker out there. It almost feels like it wants to jump out of my hands because I can't get that. And see back here, it wants to hit my hand right here where I'm trying to flick it out. Once in a while, it'll hit my hand there. But it's not bad. You know, I can make it work. This will take a day or two to get used to it, but I like the flicking action. Nice. Nice. I like this little thing. Yeah, I like carrying this. Man, you won't even know that damn thing's in your pocket. It's so small. So, go down to Dick's, guys. Get yourself an OD-2. And I don't work for Dick, so I ain't getting no fucking percentage here. So, you don't have to worry about that. Alright, just wanted to show you that, guys. You know, if you have one, tell me what you think. Tell me how yours is making out with you. You know, tell me what I can expect in the future. You know, tell me if you think it's a piece of shit or it's pretty decent. You know, I really like the feedback from my viewers and subscribers because you guys help me make good decisions on future purchases. So, you know, I really need your guys' input. So, alright guys, I just want to bring you this unboxing first impression video. You know, I hope you got something out of this, and there will be a future review of this knife later down the road once I get to use it for a little bit. You know, once I gotta cut some shit with it or cut somebody with it. You know, I gotta cut something with it. You know, I gotta see how it lasts. So, you know, there will be a future video review on this knife. So, alright, I want to thank you guys for stopping by and putting up with my ass all night here. You know, I did put out 3 unboxings tonight and also the contest video. So I hope everybody, you know, joins the contest and puts out the little video there. I need some good laughs, or I need some good drama. I need a little bit good. I need a little adventure in my life. You know, give me an adventurous story. You know, if you don't have any of that, lie to me. Make something up. All right, just make sure it's entertaining. All right, guys, you have yourself a good evening, good day, wherever the hell you're at. And like I always say, stay scary sharp out there, gentlemen and ladies. Alright, New Jersey Devil Tactical. Out of here. See ya. Bye.
Just a step, cried the sad man. Take a look down at the madman.